Kyeho, drawing a large following by employing a variety of methods. Although we accumulate the right facilities to establish a monastery, this will become a field of dispute, causing attachment. To remain alone is my heart advice. Performing village rites, like taming demons of dead children and the living. Peddling our qualities as merchandise amidst the people. Out of attachment to food and wealth, we get carried away by the demons of the mind. To tame one's own mind is my heart advice. By gathering donations from the poor as if imposing taxes, we can erect large statues and distribute offerings on a vast scale. But even though this is to support virtuous goals, we instigate others to commit negative actions. To keep one's mind virtuous is my heart advice. Teaching others Dharma out of a desire for greatness and maintaining a retinue of important and humble people through skilled methods. A mind involved with this is the source of pride. To have few aspirations is my heart advice.